'Cause I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, darling. 'Cause I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. And this is Maneskin, Beggin, which was actually a cover of another song. Long story short, let's get straight into it. Hi, welcome back. I'm Christian from Premier Piano, and this is your free piano tutorial on how to play this amazing song, Beggin by Maneskin. So first things first, what you're going to need is only 4 chords. Love pop/rock songs, they're normally simple, okay? Nothing on them, just as it is. 4 chords. You're going to need a B, you're going to need a G, an E, and an F sharp. That's it, okay? B, G, E, F sharp. Okay. Now, while I've got your attention, don't forget, I've got a freebie at the end of this lesson. Free gift for you to download and to turbocharge your learning of this song /all piano. So please do stick around to the end. And if you like what I'm doing, leave me a comment. Hit like, say thanks, say I hated it. Tell me what you want to learn next. I read all comments, I respond. So please share the love and share this with somebody who should be learning piano, okay? Now, if you're a complete beginner, don't worry, I got you. And if you can already play a bit of piano, I've also got you. We're going to do some extensions here and make it fun for everyone, all right? Let's get in. So once you've got your first 4 notes in the left hand, very important, okay? You need to be able to set and forget, okay? So here's how you practice that. Grab your thumb on B, okay? Hold that down for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now use the rest of your fingers. None of this stuff. Middle finger goes on a G, okay? That's the next chord. You hold that for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to put that together, play B and then go to G like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice that 10 times over and over till you can do it like me, okay? All right, next we're going to go from that G down to an E minor or an E. So you're going to go from G to E. I'd use my pinky here. I know this can be a weak finger, but just curve it and practice, okay? Slowly, 10 times from G to E. G, E, G, E, G, E. 10 times till that's just rock solid, okay? Then to finish off, you're going to go from that E to an F sharp. E to F sharp. Okay, so practice that 10 times using fingers 4 and 5. I know that's weak, that's really tough, but you need to work those fingers. It needs to come out properly, become muscle memory, okay? So once that's all ready, we're going to put it together slowly, okay? So with me, hand on the piano, you ready? Okay, thumb goes on B, middle finger goes on G, pinky goes on E, and finger 4 goes on F sharp. Okay, that's the black note here. So let's loop that over and over. We go B, we go G, we go E, we go F sharp. Congratulations, you've just learned the whole song. I'm not even kidding. I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hands on, baby. I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hand up, darling. The whole song is that. You can play that already. Just hold 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3. Restart. That's it. Okay. So practice that until you can just play it at full speed along with YouTube or with myself or whatever, and take your time. It might take you a little while. That's cool. Practice it slowly. This is the foundation you need to build on. So don't rush it and skip ahead when you're not ready. Okay. So pause the video, go ahead, practice, and come back when you're ready to follow along with me. All right. Level 2. Okay, some of us might already play piano, so if you want this level now, or you're ready to go for that step, here's how we do it. There's some beautiful chords that I'm going to give you guys, okay? I've done all the work, all the arrangement, all for you, because I love what I do, so check it out. The actual chords are B minor 7, G major 7th, E minor 9, and F sharp dominant 7th. But to make it easy, here's what you got to do. You ready? A, D, F sharp. That covers your B minor 7th chord. Okay, so get ready to play this, guys. Right hand only, A, D, F sharp, okay? Bit of a stretch, so put your hand into the keyboard, in. Everyone's playing down here for some weird reason. Push it in, find your sweet spot, and that's what you're gonna play. Get those 3 notes and play it once, let go, twice, press hard, yeah, let go, 3 times. You wanna go for 10 times, each time incrementally lifting the hand up higher and higher so that this becomes muscle memory. Then you can just snap back into it and you don't have to think or look. It can just be wherever it is, somewhere like that. Yeah, eyes closed. Just becomes muscle memory after a while, okay? So you do need to practice that. But go slow, just do 10 reps, okay? Once you've done 10 reps of the first chord, which is the B minor, we're now going to go to G major 7th over B. Look how easy it is. I've done the hard work for you. Done. There it is. Easy B. Do you see how much effort I had to do with my right hand? Just one note from A to B. Okay, I've done all the voicings for you and the beautiful coloring, so all you got to do is play along with me. Okay, so there's the B, here's the G. Keep the top two, move the thumb up. Easy as that. Couldn't be simpler. Okay, here it is again. Sounds beautiful. These are jazz chords. They're awesome. Okay, now I'm going to go to the E minor, and I've made it so easy. Copy paste, same chord. So look, it doesn't change. So this is me playing. Okay, the G, and this is G major 7th, and this is me playing the E minor 9. It's the same chord. I'm just changing the bass, which I'll teach you how to do in a second. So for all intents and purposes, the right hand goes step 1, step 2, step 3. How easy is that? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Please pause the video now and practice that. You know the Naji number 10 times, over and over. Maybe lifting, yeah, swaying, okay, behind your back, clap, just until it's muscle memory, okay guys? And then to finish it off, you do have that F dominant 7th, okay? So to do that, we're going to go down here. Okay, so how did I do that? We go to one note next door neighbor, one note next door neighbor, and slightly next door neighbor, 2 notes down. Easy as that. From here, B, D, F sharp, to up, A sharp, C sharp, E. That's your F sharp dominant 7th, guys. Okay. So to wrap it all up, to finish this whole song, you're on the verge of graduating. Watch. Sorry, beg your pardon. B minor 7th. Now comes the G major 7th. Then same chord becomes an E minor 9th. Then there's your F sharp 7th, and you start all over again. Boom, boom, boom. B minor, G major, it's 9th, or major 7th, sorry. Then the E minor 9th, following to the F sharp dominant 7th. Now right now it doesn't sound like much because we're going to put the bass in for level 3. But before we get there, go off and practice. Pause the video, practice doing this at least 10 times. So you could almost do it with your eyes closed, but that's hard eyes closed. So don't make that your level. Just practice it. Okay? 10 times, lift, play. Okay? Off you go. Come back when you're ready to put it together. Okay, now that you're back, I hope, let's get started. Left hand goes back in. Remember the set and forget. So we're playing a B, a G, okay? An E and an F sharp. The fingering should go thumb, 3, 5, 4, okay? So once that's ready to go and your right hand's here, here's how we do it. You ready? We go first one, and B minor, so B, B, A, D, F sharp, okay? Then you go boom, there's a G, G with B, D, sharp, got that, okay? Then we go to an E with the same chord. Don't change it, same chord. Okay, and then F sharp dominant 7th, right there. See? From here to here. It's probably the hardest part. So let's do that again. Ready? B minor reset, B with B. I'd play that 10 times until it just becomes muscle memory. Then switch, move the thumb up, practice that 10 times, and then switch between 10 times. A lot of 10 reps here until it becomes easy. Okay? Keep the chord as is. This one's going to go down to an E. So that should be pretty simple, just left hand changes. And to finish up, this is the tricky one. 4th finger ring here on F sharp, and these go boom, A sharp, C sharp, E. Okay, so practice this 10 times, okay? From your E minor 9 to your F sharp dominant 7th, 10 times. You get the idea, okay? All right, and you should go as slow as possible. Do not stress, do not rush to play this song, okay? Pause it, go do that. Come back when you're ready. We're going to unpause here. All right? Ready? Slowly with me. Everything slowly. 1, 2, 3. First chord. 1, 2, 3. Second chord. 2, 3. Next chord. Easy. 2, 3, 4. Big change. Then ready. Restart on B minor. Good. While you're there, let's loop it. And if you can't loop it, pause, rewind, play again with me until you're ready. Okay, let's loop it twice now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go B minor, 2, 3 to G, 2. Stay there, move the left to E, 2, 3. F sharp goes. Yeah, you know it. Back we go and 2, 3, G, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3. F sharp goes 1, 2, 3. You got it. That's it. I'm ready begging you, put your loving hand on, baby. That's the song. Then all you gotta do is speed it up a little bit, like I did at the beginning of the song. Okay? 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, begging, begging you, yeah. So put your loving 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then you could always, as an extension, if you already play piano, if this is easy, to make it harder, pulse the left. But you don't have to do that. Just pulsing. Could be one way, yeah? You could also pulse the right hand. If you really wanted to, yeah? There's a million ways you can go with this, guys. You can like... Yeah, like... I'm not even going to get into that. There's so many things you could do, but let's keep it real simple. 4 notes, 4 chords. The whole thing is just 4 easy chords, okay? And that is it. That's the whole song. So I hope you're up to this stage, or at least you're excited about this song and now you want to get to that stage. So you're going to head and go and practice. And thank you for sticking around to the end. Before you go, I did say I had a free gift. It's in the description below for YouTubers. And if not, it's on my bio / it's all on my website, premierepiano.shop/premium or freemium, sorry. That's where all my free stuff is. And you can download the template. I've created a beautiful template. Fantastic little 1-page sheet that has all these chords with pictures. So anyone can like play it, even if you don't read music. In one simple download. Put on your phone, tablet, boom, there you go. This lesson makes so much more sense with that. It's only 4 chords. So please go ahead and download that. Click the link below, okay? Free download for everyone, because it's my gift to you. I want you to learn. I want you to love piano. I want you to enjoy the journey like I did back when I started learning a long time ago. And this is what I do, guys. Once again, my name is Christian from Premier Piano. And if you're even remotely interested in piano, you want to begin somewhere, you don't know where, my course is for you. That's at premierepiano.shop. Check that out. It's 20 times better than what I'm doing here for free, but I still give you my best and quality in all my tutorials, and I hope you enjoy that. So make sure you do share, drop me a comment, like it please, let me know what you want to hear next, what you want to learn next. I read all comments, I take on all input / comments / advice, and I want to be your piano teacher, so let me know what you want me to teach you, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video.